Mexico does not simply grow aloe vera. Mexico produces aloe vera on a scale comparable to a massive factory set in the desert, where every leaf is cut, transported, and processed with industrial precision. So what allows this system to operate so smoothly? How can a soft, water-rich plant, extremely vulnerable to bruising, be harvested by the millions of tons each year while preserving its full value? Among countless regions on the planet, there is one that stands out for its intense sunlight and scorched, dry soil. At first glance, it seems like land unsuited for agriculture. But as we move closer, the harsh lines of the desert gradually dissolve. In their place appear uniform green fields stretching all the way to the horizon. This is Mexico. In a place where the sun never relents, where the soil offers no easy favors to crops, aloe vera does not grow by chance. It is carefully arranged. In the fields, harvesters do not work in haste. They observe each plant, selecting only the outer leaves that have reached the required level of maturity. The young inner leaves are always left untouched, as they determine the plant's survival for future harvests. The blade must be sharp enough to cut cleanly, yet controlled enough to avoid damaging the gel inside. Cutting angle, depth, and hand pressure are all adjusted through years of accumulated experience. Each cut represents a skill refined over many years. The moment a leaf is separated from the plant, a biological transformation begins. Aloe gel is exposed to air, light, and ambient temperature. If left in the field too long, oxidation occurs, active compounds degrade, and quality no longer meets standards. For this reason, every leaf is gently placed after cutting, never thrown, never dragged, never stacked too high. Once aloe leaves leave the field, the race against time is far from over. Pre-processing begins almost immediately. The leaves enter multi-stage automated washing systems. Conveyors continuously move them through high-pressure spray nozzles combined with soft rotating brushes to remove soil, residue, and surface microorganisms. Wash water is filtered, recycled, and temperature controlled to avoid affecting the biological structure of the gel inside. After washing, leaves are manually sorted by skilled workers. Any leaves showing bruising, discoloration, or failing to meet size standards are removed. Only uniform, fresh, properly matured leaves move on to the gel extraction stage. Aloe gel extraction takes place in a fully sanitized environment. The outer green rind is carefully removed, preserving only the transparent, colorless, odorless gel, free of impurities. The gel then undergoes primary filtration to remove remaining rind fragments, cellulose fibers, and mechanical impurities. Some facilities use high-speed centrifugation systems to fully separate pure gel from unwanted components. Depending on its intended use, the purified aloe gel is formulated accordingly. The final mixture is automatically packaged in sterile conditions, ranging from tubes and bottles to sealed containers. Before leaving the factory, each production batch must pass rigorous quality inspections, covering safety, biological effectiveness, and stability during storage.